All right, everyone, welcome back. We are going to take a real quick look at Solana. So nothing really has changed on Solana from the last update from the high to the low here on the weekly chart. We are still trading in this very large channel here. You want to call this a bear flag, go ahead. But there is a chance that the price of Solana could still move up to the 618 here, hit the top of the channel, and then either hit the 0.5 for the middle of the channel at that white dotted line at 47, hold that as support, and then go up. And of course, it could come all the way back down to the bottom of the channel, somewhere down around the 382 at about 31. Those are both possibilities here. Or, of course, it could break out. Nobody knows. But what I am pointing out here, from the high to the low, we are over the 0.5 at 47. And the next big price to watch is 71 here. If we can break over 71, then I would say this channel is going to be broken at that point, this flag, whatever you want to call it. And then we can look at higher price targets, and you would be extremely bullish over your 618 here on the macro scale of things. So it's all going to depend. You really want to hold 47 and you need to break over 71 here on Solana if you're going to be bullish. If we go down to the daily chart here to give you guys some retracement levels, if it is going to have a retracement or a pullback, then we can see that, if I can get this reset here, that the price of Solana, it is moving. It's having some nice gains here. So we're going to simply go from the low back here to this new high, or that wick. And you can see that as long as you stay above 52, you are extremely bullish on Solana here. And you could potentially drop about 15%. And then we do have our 382 here at 46. So you could potentially drop about 25-26% and still be considered bullish for a move down like this and then up. And of course, we all know we could go down here, go sideways, and then come back down, to the bottom of that channel that is on that larger time frame. So just keep an eye on those support levels on Solana. Let's put this back on log, and you can see our little squiggly line. If you are going to retrace to these levels, it would take you back down, potentially to the bottom of the channel here on the larger time frame. If we adjust this here, you could see we could have a 618 retracement, over the next coming days and weeks here. Come down here, let me get these off of the chart really quick, and come down here for that retracement back to the bottom of the channel, 618 retracement, and then, something like this, if it's going to be a bear flag, or, if it's going to break out, so be it. So those are all the possibilities that I see on Solana. As of right now, on the smaller time frame, on the daily, you are bullish, and the momentum is clearly up. If we go over to the 15-minute time frame here and kind of zoom out to see what is going on, you can see that on that candle that is spawned in on the day, we are still bullish here. So we are making higher highs and higher lows here in the shorter time frame. So it is bullish right now. So it may at least push up. Let me go back here real quick before this update gets too long. It may at least push up to the 618 here on Solana. So let's just go ahead and get some of this out of the way. So it is bullish, like I said, short term. So it may be in store for a little, what was that? Another 16% before it gets stuck at that 71 at that 618, and then it comes back down. So keep an eye on those supports and those resistance levels, and we will see you in the next one. Not financial advice. Peace out.